Hey everybody, Dan here with Fit Feather for Outfitters. Today we're looking at a Kimber 2K11. This is a newer release from Kimber. I never realized how nice it was until I got it in my hands. This thing is really something. We're going to talk about it, so let's do it. The Kimber 2K11 is really nice. It has a beautiful look to it. If we look at those slide cuts, the color combination, some other features that it offers, I am thoroughly impressed with this. I have seen pictures, I've watched videos, but I never had one in my hands. And when I picked this up, I said, this thing is super nice. Kimber has been making 1911s forever. It only makes sense that they got into the 2011 game and they called it the 2K11, and here it is. Now, they make two models of this. One that has a black slide and one that has this coyote slide. That's what they call it. This is a coyote PVD finish and a DLC coated steel frame. Check that out. It is beautiful. They also make this in 9mm, which is what this is, and in 45 ACP. With the 9mm, it ships with a 17 and two 20 round mags. I'm going to show you what is in the case. It is super nice. Very nice slide to frame fit. It feels super smooth, light spring weight, and the grip and the grip module, this whole thing here is aluminum, and the magwell is as well. Now, this is a Stan Chen magwell. Don't ask me who Stan Chen is. It has a big S right there, SC for Stan Chen, but Stan makes a pretty nice magwell. Flares out a bit, and I like that because when you grip the handgun, it has a base for the bottom of the hand. I could just feel it on my palm, and it's just really nice. Now, this is not very aggressive texturing. It's not light, but it's not overly aggressive. I like that indentation on there. You grip it, it feels really nice. It has some weight behind it with the steel frame, steel barrel, obviously, and slide with the aluminum grip module. It has a pick rail right there. These slide serrations are cut specifically for this handgun, and I think it looks beautiful and quite functional. It has a fluted barrel with a reverse crown, okay, and a full-length guide rod with some texturing in there. Well, some grooves in that full-length guide rod. But this fluted barrel's gorgeous. And if you look at it right here by the ejection port, you can see that it flutes all the way through, and those slide cuts look super nice. The sight system, as it sits now, is serrated black with a fiber optic front sight. This front sight is made by Tag Precision, and they house that post really strongly. You can just see it's really well built. Tag Precision is impressing me. And then this is fully adjustable. Now, this whole piece will come off, and you can put a RMR, and that's why I want to show you what's in the case, because Kimber has been shipping with these bags, very nice range bags. Okay, so the handgun would go there, and then we have the additional 20 round mag, okay, 3 in total. And right here is an RMR optic plate. That in all of its variants, it has a sticker, some Tag Precision information there, and a lock is what you'll get. If you go with the 45 ACP model, it'll ship with 3 13 round mags. So you look at this 20 round mag, and you can see it hangs down a little bit. Very common with 2011s, or shall I say 2K11s. All right, but it is very nice to have 3 mags with it, and the 45 ACP has 3 mags as well, 13 round mags. I would go with the 45. I just love 45 ACP, but I love the way this feels. Now, the MSRP on the 9mm model, this is called the Target model, okay, with the coyote upper. It is $2,500. You could shave well over $200 off that MSRP at the fin. And it is really something. And then the 45 ACP model is a little bit more, $100 more on the MSRP. The trigger breaks right. I measured it right at 3.4 pounds. Kimber says between 3 and 4 pounds. I have it at 3.4 with the reset right there. I love 1911s, and that trigger just keeps me coming back. And then the 2011 with the weight it offers and the bull barrel and that sweet trigger, this thing is a shooter. And people who own these, they love them. Not a lot of people own them at this time because it's still very new and it's pretty expensive, but if you're doing what I'm doing right now and handling it, you'll say that thing stands out from the pack. It is really a nice looking and feeling handgun. Would love to own it. I don't own it. But if I did, I'd probably go with the 45 ACP, sacrifice a couple rounds in the mag, but get a little more punch back. But many 2011 fans, they dig the 9mm. No recoil. You put an optic on there and you're good to go. By the way, it ships with an RMR plate, but if you want a Delta Point Pro and Acro and RMSC or any of those, you can buy that separately from the Kimber store. There it is. Happy to feature it. I want to keep it in my possession. I know I can't do that, but that's just how I feel. Once again, Dan here with Fin Feather for Outfitters. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.